Hi guys, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to make hole to your wall with cabinet. So first you have this kind of design where you have your cabinet. Okay, you want to put hole on top of your countertop. We go to 2D view and then take out your doorway button here and position it to your cabinet. Okay, this one I resize it manually according to my cabinet size. Okay, and then go to walkthrough. From here you can see the hole is down up to your floor, so we want to lift it up. In order to lift it up, you click to your doorway and then you have this doorway setting here. So here the height I will set for 1400, and then to raise it up I adjust the height above ground with the value of 790. And then okay, so you can see from here. So basically this is how you make a hole to your wall. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.